She was nice.
Shorty wanna ball with the chick. Money sitting tall, y'all mean.
What's up?
What's up?
Add time real quick. Hey, what's up with her, bro? She look mad as I don't know what. Somebody made her mad. What's wrong with you, baby girl? You alright? Yeah, it's better for you to smile. Alright, bet. Look, we finna play a game. It's called Truth or Lie. I'm finna ask you a question. You gotta see if I'm telling the truth or lie. You gotta look me dead in the eye. Both of us, everybody gotta ask 2 questions.
Are you gonna say?
I ain't finna play with y'all. How would that work? Both of y'all playing right quick. I'm trying to see who go first. Dang, you suck. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. At time. All right, look. I cheated on 5 girls before.
Lie.
I'm gonna ask you a better question. Have I ever cheated on a girl before?
Yes.
Oh my God. What? I look like a cheater? That's a whole lot.
You do.
Why? What made me look like a cheater?
I don't know.
How you don't know, but you called me a cheater?
Cause you do like, he looks like, I don't know.
In elementary school, a girl used to like me, so she put "kick me" on the back of my chair so she can kick me.
True. That's a.
Is that true?
That's not my main focus right now. I'm not being scared. It's about.
I don't know.
You don't know? Add time real quick. You going to redo that one.
I am happy playing the game with you guys.
You're not lying. You are lying. I don't know.
You got to pick. That's the whole point. It's a 50-50 chance.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it. Wait, did you get both of them right? No, you got the first one wrong. I ain't no cheater. Go ahead.
How I cheat on someone?
No, you loyal.
Yeah. Do I look like a player?
You just.
Not a player. Those are 2 different questions.
No, it's not. You do.
Huh?
You do. If you're not tied down to anybody, you don't care. So that's true. You're a player.
No, I'm not. ¿Cuántos minutos tiene? Porque no sé, no dice.
Dang, I want to know Spanish. Come on, está. Alright. She really just said that, bro. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Huh? Alright, be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. You messing up the game. I ain't got, like, alright, she finna get her chance. I finna, go ahead. Ask me another question. I got one right. At least give me another.
I don't know.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna ask another question. My brother almost died on a motorcycle.
Oh my God. I mean,
True.
it's good, but at the same
No, that's a lie. I would just watch the movie Road Riders. That's why.
time, you
You ever seen that one? You ever seen it? Never mind. Go ahead, hit it.
I'm talking about straight downs.
Ask 2 questions.
Bruh,
Since you talking crap.
y'all think it's bad.
Huh? Ask some.
Something y'all never expected gonna happen.
What'd you say?
It's gonna be like August.
Girl, you gotta pay attention now. You finna lose.
Georgia. 3 tornadoes at once.
I don't care about your. Look now.
Guess
This
no
jacket.
Wi-Fi for me. Won't be playing the
Alright,
game.
now. All these seconds go out.
Exactly.
Yes, you would. Call me a hat. Man, I was just trying to speak Spanish with y'all. See, dang, bruh.
I love your head. Oh my God, you look like Stay Solid Rocky. You look like something.
I thought you finna say PNB Rock. At time. At time.
Is it working?
You folk making me mad, bro. At time.
Hold on, wait.
What happened?
They won't play me in no game, bro. I'm trying to play you in truth. She really left. Dang, bro, that's how y'all feel on iMessage games. We just be texting back and forth and then you just stop playing. I see how it is. Hey, add time right quick. No funny.
What?
Add time right quick. No funny. I'm finna play a game with you. Alright, look. You gotta see if I'm telling the truth or a lie. I'm finna ask you 2 questions. You ask me 2 questions. We get to know each other. You feel me? Alright. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors. Who go first?
What? I'm not a child. I don't do that rock, paper, scissors.
We trying to see who go first, bro. Come on, stop playing. Dang.
You even know what you want. What? I don't get it. Why?
Bro, it's fun, bro. Come on, you just gotta play.
Hold up.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
That doesn't matter. I'll tell you at the end.
It do matter. How old?
I'm 16. Is that true or lie? That's why you are right. I'm years old. Okay? That don't even count. That don't even count anyway. Add time. Come on, play me in the game. No, I'm not finna add you back until you play me. Do you really finna make me do this, huh? You really finna make me do this. I really want to be your friend, but you're not playing the game with me, so I can't add you back, bruh.
Okay, bye. Peace out.
I'm trying to play a game right quick.
What's the game?
Alright, I'm finna ask you 2 questions. You ask me 2 questions. And what we finna do is tell which one is a lie and the truth. I mean, not tell which one is which, but you gonna figure out if it's true or a lie. You gotta say, yeah, my fault. I just confused myself. Anyway,
Right.
so we finna play rock, paper, scissors to see who go first. Alright, you ready? Alright, bring it back to the camera. Alright, look down. I won. Yeah.
Alright.
Go first. Add time.
I'm gay. And second statement.
No, don't ask me a second question. I gotta answer the first question right quick.
Alright, go ahead.
I don't want you to be that way though.
Come on.
You got nice nails and everything. You got a beautiful voice too. Why you gotta be like that? That's not true.
That's false. It's very true.
Come on, bruh, for real. I knew it. I just didn't want to say it's true, cause that's not true about you. You feel me?
It's true.
You beautiful though. Don't do that. I'm pretty sure a good guy would find you. Man, these guys trash, bruh. Don't worry about that.
Oh, man.
These guys is trash, man.
Add me as a friend. I like you. Cool.
For sure.
I like shorts. I only wear shorts.
I can picture you in some shorts right now. It's true.
False. I only like wearing pants, sweatpants. Only all that stuff. So you lost. See?
You know what it is. 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 It's not even that you winning. It's not even that. It's just I picture you a certain way, man. Cause like.
It must be the nails.
No, it's your voice too. It's your personality and everything.
Really?
You seem like you got a great heart for real, for real.
Oh, that's so nice.
So I just picture you a certain way, man. Like, man, you making me feel. Look, bro, chill out, man. Chill out, man.
What I do? See, look.
I'm just glad we got this friendship. You feel me?
Right. What's your name?
My name LJ.
Where LJ?
Mm-hmm.
Amaji.
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 You foreign too? Come on, bro.
Oh man.
I'm just gonna ask my questions and get out your way, cause you don't need nobody standing in your way. You feel me?
It's all good.
All
I
right.
came on here to have conversation.
It's not good though. It's okay. I just got both of my questions wrong. You telling me it's okay? All right. I played football in middle school.
True.
Just gonna go with the first question. No, it's a lie.
Oh, what?
I played track in high school. That's the same. That go to the first question.
Well, that's false.
That's true.
That's true?
Yeah. I just confused you right there, didn't I?
Yeah.
I had one real relationship.
Oh, that's hard. True.
Mm-mm.
How many real relationships did you have?
I'm not gonna claim that girl's 3. I'm finna say 2. I'm finna go ahead and ask another bonus question just because. You feel me? I'm trying to stay in this phone call a little bit longer. But yeah, you didn't hear me say that. I used to walk the neighborhood and I had caught up with some friends. And we used to play basketball with each other, and eventually they said they wanted to steal phones. And I didn't know they were stealing phones, but they had sold me a phone.
That sounds. I'm gonna say false.
Wow, that's true.
It's true. I was gonna say true. It sounds like a real story.
I mean, the only thing that was a lie, I said friends, but I was just speaking out of my mind just to say it fast so you wouldn't believe that. If I would have stuttered, you would have been like, oh, that's an automatic. You feel me?
Because it sounds too true to be. I'm like, hold on, the friends, still a phone.
I mean, if you got an imagination, you feel me? You can just make up anything.
I like you. You cool.
I like you too.
I don't want to just.
I know, right?
Groove,
I know, right?
but
It's, hey, till we meet again, okay?
yeah.
Bye. Be safe.
Bye. You too.
She was nice. She was nice. I don't want to be on the app no more just because of her, you feel me?